Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abidal Farzan Rosyidi. So, in this video or in this occasion, I would like to make a tutorial again about the code in the microbit. Okay, so in this video I don't use my glasses because what? Because I don't want to use my glasses. Okay, so now we're gonna start from the microbit again. So now the theme of our maybe this title of this tutorial is make this tiny bits show a RGB color like this. You can see it. There is this icon in here too, a random icon, and then this is the random color too, the RGB. Mine will be broken again. Okay, don't see it with the original eyes because this will hurt your eyes. You can see it. There is this RGBs, but the tiny bit is not working on it. And then I gotta give you a tip, tricks that you can make your microbit or maybe tiny bit on or maybe on turn on without using this battery. But you guys can using the USB cable. You guys can use this for the power. Okay, so now we gotta give it we give it the code to this microcontroller or microbit. Okay, so you guys can see here. Okay, we gotta pull it out and then plug to this microbit. Plug this cable to this microbit. Yes, you guys already know how to read it. Already turn on, and then it's on you guys. Okay, so now the first that you guys to do is, of course, open this website. Make code microbit.org. Okay, guys, I know from now that microbit is made by BBC. I don't know before. Okay, so now I already make this voice control like, and then I already opened this one. This is all of the code of this voice control like, So if this tiny bit have a sensor, if he's get a sensor with the voice, he will um turn turn on the light like before that I already show you. Okay, so now we gotta make the tutorial out. I'm sorry guys if I open this because I'm not really understand. But I'm understand the coding, but I still don't know um the list. Yeah, the list. Okay, let's go. We gotta go to the source again, and then don't forget to create a new project. Name voice controller. Wait, control controller. Yes, forget. Voice control right. Yeah, credit, great, of course. And then I forget to take the link again. Okay, so in this video we're gonna use the link, the link before, as used for this tiny bit. Let's get useful for this tiny bit, really guys. And then wait a minute guys. I'm gonna post this first. I'm sorry, I don't have it. Okay, I so okay, so we gotta continue it because I posted before. Forget the link. So now I have the link. So go to the extension panel or maybe the extension button and then search and then you guys can see it the link in the description below. If you guys want it. If you guys don't want it or you guys don't have this microbit and then the tiny bit too, it's on you guys. Because I have. So I can make this tutorial. Okay. We gotta pass in here. Okay, we gotta look at search. Already? Okay, let's go. This one's already. Okay, and then the next is go to the basics menu, and then either you guys wanna show less or maybe show icon. I wanna show less because first I wanna use F word because F vocabulary I name F alphabet. Yeah, and then don't forget guys, go to the NeoPixel and then get these two things to to block block code, and then the block code name is strip show and strip clear. You got to go to the tiny bit again, go to the tiny bit menu, and then this one. Choose this voice sensation and then make it in. Wait a minute guys, it's cannot in. Make it in. Guys cannot. Okay, we gotta make it in. Guys cannot. Wait a minute guys, I wanna see the I wanna see this first. Oh, okay, I forget. Okay, we gotta go to the tiny bit again and then choose this. I forget. We must choose this. Duplicate and duplicate. Okay, already? But it's still a lot. No, okay, there's no all again. Okay, next is wait a minute guys. Okay, go to the logic menu, click it, and then take this one. If true, if true then. And then we got a chance and go to the logic again, and then this less 0 less 0. We gotta drag it to here, and then take this voice return to, and then change the zero number to 50 maybe. Yeah, 50, right? Oh, 100. 100. And then you guys can see it in here. Okay, we go to the variable menu and then take this set strip, and then yeah, take in the math to the math. Go to the math menu and then take this pick random. And then this is 1 0 till 5 till 5. Okay, and then take to the neo pixel, and then wait a minute guys. Take this one. Wait, wait a minute guys. Okay, I wrong. Go to the tiny bit and then take this one. Take this block code to here. Drag the block code to here, and then there's RGB color big 2, value 1, and value 2, value 3. The fellow is meaning that's kind of RGB. Fellow 1 is meaning red, and maybe the RGB is red, green, blue, right? Maybe this fellow 1 is red, and then the fellow 2 is G or maybe green, and then the fellow 3 is B or blue. And then we take pick random again. Okay. And then duplicate it 3 times. Duplicate and duplicate again. And then give it to here already, and then change the number to 255, 255, and 255, and then 55. Okay, you guys already here. And then we have this. Okay, and then go to the next pixel again, and then take this one again, and add. Go to the math again. Oh, no, go to the logic, and then math or logic. Alright, guys. Okay, you gotta delete this strip and then change it to this blue code, red green color program, and then change the show color red to go to here. Where is it? Oh yeah, go to this new pixel and more, and then take the red green blue, and then we get a duplicate again, duplicate, and then you guys can give it to here. Okay, I mean, if you guys don't know the meaning, I give it the meaning. So this is the meaning. Okay, guys, this is if voice sensor return. Okay, so if voice sensor is less than 100, and then set strip is meaning we set the strip variable to pick random, and then this block code and then this block code is meaning that the RGB color big value. Okay, and then this RGB is pick random. The value one is meaning red, value two is meaning green, and then the value three is meaning blue. It's like a RGB pick random. And then this is, you guys already know what is this? RGB car program. You already know. You already know there's a, yeah, show color randomly. And then next, go to the this again. And then, yeah, take this one, this strip show. And then change it to RGB again. RGB car program. Okay. So the next is you guys can go to the basics again and then take a forever blue code and then take a logic again and then take this one if true then else 8 6 time 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's go. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now we're gonna take this logic and then this one, take this one to here and then wait a minute, I want to say this first blue code is, oh, sorry guys, I'm sorry, this is not less more than 100. Okay, so this meaning is when the voice sensor return to more than 100, maybe the voice yeah, rumors, yeah, then they'll do this blue code, and then from this one we're gonna duplicate it, and duplicate 5 times and then make it that duplicate come to this, or maybe make it combine with this block code. Okay, already, and then go to the variables menu, take the strip variable and duplicate it, or maybe you guys can do here, wait a minute guys. Okay, we can duplicate it on this one, duplicate it, and then change the number to 1, and then duplicate again, change the number to 2, duplicate again. Oh, wait, guys. Duplicate again to number, change, and then change the number to 3, and then duplicate again, change the number to 4, and then duplicate again, change the number to 5. Okay, already. And then now, we gotta, yeah, make the code, and then we go to the basic again, and then show icon. Drag the show icon block code, and then you guys can choose one of the choose one of the icon here. You guys can see it. Okay, you guys already can see it. I'm gonna choose smile and make it in. Look at it again. Show to the set Duplicate it again. Show to confused. Duplicate again. And then change the icon to angry. And then we're gonna change it to normal. Asleep. Okay. Sleepy, or you can say sleepy. Indonesian ngantuk. And then this is surprised. Okay. Already? Okay. This all of the code is already get made. And then now we're gonna see the result by downloading this okay, tutorial. So I don't confuse with the other things or the other file. Okay. Download it. And then after you download it, you guys make the code get into this microbit. I already give you the yeah. Okay. To go open the file explorer, then take this, go to downloads, download, download. Yeah, I don't know. Download. Go to download documents and then drag this file to the microbit documents or microbit disk. Yeah. I already told you guys before. This microbit is a kind of the brain of this robot. Okay. This already. After that, make it off from the microbit and then plug with this robot. Like this. Okay, already plugged. And then if you guys lazy to use the battery, you guys can plug with this USB to here. This. You guys can see it in here. Okay, plug it in here. Already get already is on, and then we gotta see the result. Yay! Already guys, this already. There is no broken or maybe there's no buffering or maybe bug in this. So yeah, when look at this, when I mm, when I give voice to this robot, the robot will change the color. See? Wait, I gotta shut up. Wait, when I don't make it voice, or maybe I don't loud, this robot cannot can change the color. But what about I make it my voice out? Yeah, the robot change the color like this. Okay, so yeah. Maybe that's all about my tutorials about this voice control light. Okay, maybe that's all about my tutorial. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken in words. Okay, so one cost for me. You cannot get something without doing something. Okay, maybe that's all about me. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken in words. Many mistaken in words. That's what I want to say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys on our next video. Bye.